Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about why you should not compare yourself with other developers. Alright guys, so I think this is quite a good topic for this video, because when I was, at least me, when I was starting out in web development, and I guess there is a lot of people going through the same situation, is whenever we are starting out in something in life, whether it is web development at school or at work or whatever, we are constantly like trying to compare ourselves with other people. But this is really a big mistake, because whatever you are gonna do in life, whether it can be sports, it can be at your job, it can be whatever, there will be always people better than you. There will always be people with more money, they are prettier or whatever. There will be always people smarter, and you shouldn't be trying to compare yourself with other people, because look at yourself. You are a person, you are unique. There is no one else in the world just like you, with your past, with your experiences, with everything that you have on yourself. So really, if you look at yourself, for example, if you're gonna work at a company or something, you will see that there are some people in there who work together for a long time or whatever, and they just like each other to work with each other because they already know each other, you know what I mean? And there might be even people for a position that they know even more, or they have more experience, but because these people, they have been working together for such a long time, people at that company, they would never replace this person, or it's always something like this, you know. So you should actually, instead of be comparing yourself with other people, you should just try comparing yourself with yesterday, what you were yesterday, or 2 months before, or a year before. And you should try to be improving yourself, try to become the best version of yourself. You should be competing only with yourself and not with other people, and look at other people like, oh, this guy, he learned how to code in 3 months, or that guy, after 5 months he got a job in web development, and I'm like 2 years or 1 year learning this, and I still feel like I'm not ready and I don't have a job. So don't try to do this, because it's just gonna demotivate you. And you should be just like I said, just look at yourself, try to improve, try to look at yesterday, 2 months or 1 month ago, and see, did I improve something? Did I become better? Am I better now than I was when I started out? So like this, you can see your progress, and you can see that that really there is something moving on your life, and you are becoming a better person at whatever you are trying to do. So yeah, I think this is the main point of this video, guys. Just don't try to compare yourself with other people at anything in life, and just focus on yourself, because like I said, each one of us, we are unique human beings. So yeah, so this is the main point of this video. Try to become the best version of yourself, try to improve every day, and try to progress, because if you are just like staying at the same point in life all your life, it's just like you are dead, you know. We all want to improve, we all want to get better. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope this is just like a quick video on this topic, because I think it's quite important for you guys to try to understand this. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Don't worry about the tutorials, because I'm gonna put much more tutorials on JavaScript, Bootstrap, CSS, all these kind of things. Don't forget as well my weekly live stream on Sundays, 6 PM UK time, so it's UTC 00. And yeah, that's it now guys. Alright, so I'll catch you in the next video.